Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now, let us recall basic concepts about integers. Let us start by recalling the operations on integers. The first one is addition. Rule 1. To add integers having the same sign, add their absolute value and prefix the common sign. For example, positive 5 plus positive 6 equals positive 11. Also, negative 8 plus negative 3 is equal to negative 11. That is how to add integers with the same sign. Next, to add integers having different signs, find the difference of their absolute values and prefix the sign of the addend with the greater absolute value. For example, negative 6 plus 4. So, we get the difference of the absolute values of the two integers. So, negative 6 and 4. And their absolute values are 6 and 4 respectively. Now, let us find the difference. 6 minus 4, that is 2. And then, let us prefix the sign of the addend with greater absolute value, and that is 6. So, that is negative 2. Next, we have 12 plus negative 8. So, since they have different sign, we will minus 12 and 8, and that is 4. So, since 12 has higher absolute value, then we will follow the sign of 12, which is positive. So, we have positive 4. Next is the rule about subtraction of integers. We will change the sign of the subtrahend and proceed as in addition. For example, negative 15 minus negative 17. So, negative 15 is called minuend and negative 17 is called subtrahend. Now, we will change the sign of the subtrahend. From negative 17, it will become positive 17. And then, proceed as in addition. From minus, it will become plus. So, we have negative 15 plus 17, that is equal to 2. Next, 12 minus 8. Simply, that is equal to 4. But the rule there is, we will change the sign of the subtrahend. So, from positive 8, it will become negative 8. And from minus, it will become plus. So, we have 12 plus negative 8, that is equal to 4. How about the rules on multiplication and division of integers? So for like signs, the product or quotient of the two integers are positive. And for unlike signs, the product or quotient of the two integers are negative. For example, we have negative 4 times negative 5. That is equal to positive 20 or simply 20. Why positive? Because they have the same signs. Their signs are both positive. Next, 3 times negative 10. That is negative 30. Why negative? Because the signs of the two integers are different. The first one is positive and the second one is negative. We have here also examples about division on integers. 20 divided by 2, that is 10. And negative 15 divided by 5, that is negative 3. Why negative 3? Again, because the signs of the two integers are different. The first one is negative and the second one is positive. Let us proceed with our review questions. Number 1, simplify the quantity of 5 plus negative 8 times the quantity of negative 12 plus negative 18. A, 18, B, 90, C, negative 90, D, negative 18. So, kung mapapansin natin, yung given ay may groupings. So, kapag merong groupings, ibig sabihin ay nasa loob ng parentheses, nasa loob ng brackets, or nasa loob ng braces. Kapag merong groupings, uunahin natin na i-compute yung mga quantities that are being grouped. So, we have 5 plus negative 8. 5 plus negative 8 is negative 3. Next, negative 12 plus negative 18, that is negative 30. Next operation, negative 3 times negative 30, and that is equal to positive 90. Why positive 90? Again, because the two integers have the same sign. So, the answer is positive 90, and that is letter B. Number 2, the sum of all integers on the number line starting from negative 20 to 20 is A, negative 60, B, 60, C, 0, D, 45. What is your answer? If your answer is letter C, then you are correct, because the sum of all integers on the number line starting from negative 20 to 20 is 0. Shortcut is negative 20 plus 20, that is equal to 0. Also, negative 19 plus 19 is 0. Negative 18 plus 18, that is 0. Negative 17 plus 17, that is also 0. And the same with the other numbers that are in the given range. The sum is always 0. In a card game, a player has left with cards with the following values: negative 70, 125, 40, negative 106, 35, negative 14, negative 28. Find the player's final point. A, negative 25, B, negative 18, C, 10, D, 15. So, to find the player's final point, we are just going to add the value of the cards that are left. So, we have negative 70 plus 125 plus 40 plus negative 106 plus 35 plus negative 14 plus negative 28, and that is equal to letter B, negative 18. So, negative 18 is the player's final point. Number 4, let us simplify the given. So, as we can see, there are groupings. And if there are groupings, uunahin natin na i-compute yung nasa loob ng parentheses, yung nasa loob ng braces, or yung nasa loob ng brackets. At huwag nating kalilimutan na sundan yung PEMDAS. So, dito sa given, uunahin natin yung groupings na nasa loob. So, we have 8 minus 5 and 9 minus 4. So, 8 minus 5, that is 3. And negative 3 plus 3, that is 0. 7 minus 0, that is 7. Next, 9 minus 4, that is 5. 4 plus 9, that is 13, minus 5, that is equal to 8. So, 7 plus 8, that is 15. And the answer is letter D. Thank you again for watching, guys. For more videos, make sure you subscribe this channel. At kung nagustuhan ninyo ang video na ito, huwag ninyong kalilimutang mag-like at mag-share Pwede rin kayong mag-comment sa comment box kung meron pa kayong clarifications regarding the lesson.